Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your trunk in case of emergency. If you're sitting in your trunk, and this happens often, isn't it? If you sit in the trunk area of your Audi A3 Sportback or S3, then you're stuck there and you want to come out. But it does not have any function. The mechanical way is easy. See again here. It is closed right now. If you're looking there in the near of the trunk lock, you can see there is a picture of your car with a trunk on the left side. And there is a cover. Okay. If you have a screwdriver, you can use a screwdriver too for this. But you do not often have a screwdriver, so we're going to use the emergency key. And under this cover, you can see the mechanism behind this electronic lock. And what's going on there? Now it is locked, okay? This is the lock position. And if you're looking a little bit inside this mechanism, you can see a wide lever system made out of plastic. And this is the manually unlock device or part of this lock. So now enter the key into it and push it up. Oh yeah. Now you can see and you can feel the trunk is open and you can manually open it easily. That's how you can evacuate out of the trunk. Easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.